here, and you can try them together. It is to the benefit of the state to try them together, just more efficient. You don't have to do things again and again, do it all at once, and also you get a better chance of having them incriminate each other during the trial. It benefits the defense to sever it. That way they can point the finger at each other and get away with it. So this is what's going on. But I don't think it should be automatically severed because the state is seeking penalty for Melly, because it's only the penalty phase of the trial that would be different, not the guilt phase. The guilt phase is the same. They're both capital crimes. We're seeking the penalty on one, not the other, but that goes into the second part of the trial, the penalty phase, only if Melly is found.
Narrator. The rap world is once again shaken as new shocking revelations emerge in the case of YNW Melly. From courtroom drama to unexpected arrests, the saga of the Florida rapper accused of double homicide is far from over. Stick around, because what you're about to hear will leave you speechless. Cut to footage. YNW Melly performing on stage. Narrator. YNW Melly, whose real name is Jamel Demons, was once on top of the world.
Six new charges against Demons and 2 others who were allegedly involved. The charges include tampering with a witness, directing the activities of a criminal, solicitation or conspiracy to commit tampering, and unlawful use of a two-way communication device. Now, a couple of those charges actually carry a life in prison sentence if there's a conviction.
Rising to fame with his viral hit, Murder on My Mind. But in 2019, his life took a drastic turn when he was arrested and charged with the double murder of his 2 closest friends, YNW Juvie and YNW Sackchaser. Prosecutors allege that Melly staged the crime to look like a drive-by shooting, but his legal team continues to fight for his innocence. Cut to News Clip's narrator. And just when you thought the case couldn't get any crazier, fresh updates are making headlines. Let's dive deep into the latest twists in the YNW Melly trial. Chapter 1. The Mistrial and Retrial. Background music, courtroom tension. Narrator. Back in July 2023, YNW Melly's first trial ended in a mistrial. The jury was deadlocked, unable to reach a unanimous verdict. This left the prosecution scrambling to prepare for a retrial. But why did this happen? And what are the chances of Melly walking free?
My son has not been convicted of anything, and even other inmates that have been convicted or anything, they have the right to use a telephone. They have a right to just to be allowed to write letters to their loved ones, to receive their mail. They hold his mail, they don't give it to him.
Cut to court sketches. Narrator. Experts say that the case is filled with contradictions and uncertainties. The prosecution claims that Melly was in the car when the murders happened, while the defense argues there is no concrete evidence linking him directly to the crime. The biggest challenge? The murder weapon was never found. So cut to lawyers speaking outside court. Narrator. With the retrial looming, Melly's legal team is working around the clock to dismantle the prosecution's case. But as they prepare their strategy, a new bombshell drops. Chapter 2. Lawyer under investigation. Background music, suspenseful build-up. Narrator. Melly's lead attorney, Raven Liberty, is now under investigation for witness tampering. Yes, you heard that right. Allegations have surfaced that Liberty may have attempted to influence key witnesses in the trial. If these claims are proven, it could spell disaster for Melly's defense. Cut to legal analyst discussing the case. Narrator. But the big question is, how will this affect Melly's chances of freedom? Some legal experts believe that this could further delay the trial, while others argue that it could undermine the CIA defense's credibility. Either way, things are getting messier by the day. Chapter 3. Ex-girlfriend arrested. Background music, dramatic twist. Narrator. And just when you thought this case couldn't take another wild turn, Melly's ex-girlfriend Mariah Hamilton has been arrested. Hamilton, who had previously refused to testify, was taken into custody after returning to the United States. Cut to arrest footage. Narrator: many believe that she holds crucial information that could either save or destroy YNW Melly. Prosecutors are likely to pressure her into testifying, which could be a game-changer in the retrial. Cut to expert. Interviews. Narrator: some sources suggest that Mariah Hamilton could provide a key alibi for Melly, while others speculate that she may have damaging evidence against him. Only time will tell what role she will play in the upcoming court battle. Chapter 4. Melly speaks from jail. Background music, emotional piano. Narrator: despite being locked up for over 4 years, YNW Melly continues to reach out to his fans. He recently shared a message from jail, claiming that he is still hopeful and remains innocent. Cut to Melly's social media post. Narrator: I know the truth will come out. I'm staying strong, and I appreciate my fans for holding me down. Free Melly! Cut to fan reactions. Narrator: fans have been divided. Some are convinced of his innocence, while others believe that the evidence against him is too strong. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Chapter 5. Will he be freed? Background music, tense heartbeat. Narrator: so, what happens next? Well, the prosecution is pushing hard to convict Melly, while his legal team is fighting tooth and nail to prove his innocence. The next few months will be critical, as the retrial date is expected to be announced soon. Cut to court footage. Narrator: if convicted, YNW Melly could face life in prison, or even the death penalty, but if his defense can create enough reasonable doubt, he might walk free. Outro, background music, suspenseful fade out. Narrator: one thing is certain, this case is far from over. The twists and turns keep coming, and we'll be here to bring you the latest updates. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single detail. Narrator: do you think YNW Melly is innocent or guilty? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay tuned.